In primetime news this evening, probe ordered amid allegation that police officers are involved in illegal fuel operation. Residents contest police account of fatal killing in Lawrence Tavern, St. Andrew. And Clarendon taxi operators livid over extortion.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands or online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Kelisha Williams. To give us a preview of what's to come in the financial week, here's Anthony Lugg.
Well, Kelisha, I'll tell you what, NCB is reporting a significant increase in ABM use during the peak holiday period. The details on that and more in the financial week.
And to report on what's to come in primetime sports, here's Spencer Darlington.
Thank you, Gia. Well, the West Indies women will take on their Bangladeshi counterparts. We'll host them in an upcoming white ball series. We'll tell you more in primetime sports later.
Thanks, Spencer. And Romain is also here with what's to come in the weather reports.
Thanks. Now, we are expecting wetter conditions to be affecting most of the island this weekend, that's Saturday and Sunday, but it's dry when we start Monday next week.
Just to say, I'm noticing that everyone got the red memo except me. There's also a sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we're asking what more can be done to improve traffic management during the major entertainment events.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.